Hello guys, welcome back to a new math video. In this video, I will going to explain for you rounding decimal numbers to the nearest whole number. Dear learners, when you have rounding to the nearest whole number, every decimal numbers, they are exactly between two exact numbers or two natural numbers, we say every time. As example here on the number line, to make easy to see or understand, 7 and 8, they are exact numbers. All the numbers between them are decimal numbers. From half away, between 7 and 8, the half is, of course, 7.5. You're rounding up. From half and away, like more than half, you're rounding up. Less than half, less than 7.5 here as example, you're rounding down. So simple. When it's rounding up, the number is rounding to the 8. When it's less than half, it's rounding to the 7. Nothing difficult here. If I tell you 7.4, 7.4, as you see, is less than half. 7.4 is less than half. 7.5, isn't it? So 7.4 is rounding down. When I'm rounding down, so it's rounding to the 8 or 7, of course, to the 7. So the answer is 7. If I round 7.4 to the nearest whole number, is 7. If I round 7.6, which is more than half, which is more than 7.5 in this example, of course, this is rounding, is more closer to 8. So it's rounding up. The answer is 8. When I round to the nearest whole number, remember. Let me show you some examples again in the number line. But like in number line is helping you so much. It's much easier to deal with. I have some three numbers here: 3.64, 3.33, 3.91. Each of them, we are going to round up or rounding down. They are between 3 and 4, of course. All the decimal numbers here you see because of 3. Look, the whole part is 3, so it's between 3 and 4. Right now, let's plot at first 3.64. 3.64, of course, like a 64 is more than half. 64 is more than 3.64 is more than 3.50 or 3.5. So that's why that's coming here, more than half. Here's the half. Is rounding up or down? We say more than half is rounding up. So rounding up, 3.64 is more closer to 4. So you're rounding up. The answer is 4.00, or like only 4. 4.00, only 4 is not something like, because this two zeros does not have any value after the decimal number. This two zeros does not have any value. That's why like 4.00 or 4 is the same thing. Next, 3.33. Again, guys, 33, like 3.33 is less than half. So when we plot, it's like we say less than half is what is rounding down. So 3.33, when you round to the nearest whole number, is more close to 3. 3 is the whole number. So that's why the answer is 3.00, or only 3. Okay? 0, 0, it means like both numbers is equal 0. The last one, 3.91, as you see, guys, 91, like so close to 4. Almost 4, 3.91, I'm right? That's why, like, this is rounding up more than half. Of course, it's almost 4, like so close to 4. So you're rounding up. When you're rounding up this number, again, is equal 4. So simple, okay? This is about the strategy in the number line. If not, guys, we have a code, like when you want to round to the nearest whole number, always, guys, always round the unit. Always round the unit, okay? Every time when questions say it or any problem you have about rounding to the nearest whole number, round the unit. Find the unit place value around it, okay? In this, okay. So after you found the unit, go to the right. Go to the right, first number in the right, guys. So important. First number in the right. If that number was 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, you're rounding up. As you see this arrow, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 9, you're rounding up. 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0, you're rounding down. Okay? And in rounding up, you'll give a number to the digit you're rounding. And all the numbers after that digit will be 0. In rounding down, you not give nothing. Let's do this, what we said on this example. 2.235.8. Where's the unit place value? Of course, 5. If you don't know about place values, guys, there is a link in the description. I explained it about the place values. You can check and understand about like place values. 5 is unit. We see first number in the right side, in the left side of the decimal number in the fractional part. In the whole part is what? Is unit. 5. We will just round 5. Let's go to the right. As you see in the right, guys, 8. 8 is what is more than 5. So you will give a number to the 5, will be 236. Remember, in the rounding, all the digits above the digit you're rounding, you will keep 23. All the digits below or like after the place the digit you're rounding will be 0. So 236.0, only 236, nothing like difficult error. 23.18. 23.18, guys, again, find where's the unit place value. Always round the unit. Here's the unit, guys. So since you see 3 is unit, I will go to the right. I will go to the right. I see 1 is less than 5. That's why I will rounding down. I will not give nothing to the 3. I will keep 2. So the answer is 23.00 or only 23. The last one is 144.209. Where's the unit place value? Again here, guys, is 4. So in the 4, I will not go to the 2. I will not go to the 0 or 9. First number in the right. Every time, first number in the right. First number in the right is 2. 2 again is less than 5. Okay, and remember all the digits above the digit you're rounding. It means this 2 and 4, 1 and 4. You need to keep them. Okay, all the numbers below them will be 0. So in this case, rounding to the nearest whole number will be 144 because 2 is less than 5. You not give nothing, or 144. You can erase the zeros because the zeros, guys, does not have any value after the decimal number. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. See you in the next one. Peace out.